Good morning, everyone. It's Izzy here, and I am doing a new project, which is repairing an Olivia 27-inch TV. This one is a little bit more complicated, so basically I had gotten started. I wanted to just basically bring everyone up to date on what's going on. Anyways, look, I took the power board off. Over here, and I wanted to show everyone. This one was a little bit harder to work on than the last one I did, but I wanted to show everyone the capacitors here. And this is the power board, and everything looks very good. You know, all the capacitors look good. So right over here in this area sits the logic board, which is this board, and okay, so this is the logic board. So anyways, what I did was I went ahead and took it up, took the whole unit apart. Basically, this thing sits like this. I just want to show everyone. This sits like this over here. Anyways, what I did was I went ahead and took it apart. But basically what I found after inspecting all the things, and I'm hoping this might be the problem, is this little, whatever this is. I don't know what it is. I got to go find out what it is. But anyways, this little thing, what I noticed was that right here. I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to, okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it's cracked. It's like got swollen up. You know, you always look for things that are cracked or swollen up. Anyway, this is swollen up. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. You see? I don't know if you can see if it's, I'm trying to put this in the light here. Right there. You see how it's cracked? Exactly. There you go. So right there you can see it's cracked. So that means it got swollen up. I'm going to check the voltage now on it. But at any rate, I'm hoping that this is the problem. And, well, I'm going to go ahead and check it out and keep everybody posted. But this is for a Samsung 27-inch TV. LCD that basically would, I would turn it on, and the Olivia logo screen would come up, but then that's it. It wouldn't display. It wouldn't go to the tuner, to the channels. The HDMI wouldn't work. Nothing else would work. So basically, it was just like the monitor would turn on, but it wouldn't go anyways. And it is a TV. It's supposed to at least give you the channels. So, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go look for this part, and then I'll keep everybody posted and up to date. Okay, if you have any comments or suggestion, make sure you leave them down below. Anyways, have a great day. Take care.